So guys, this is Canada. Although today is a sunny day, but still the temperature is low and still ducks are on the frozen lake. This is not 100% frozen, but still you can see a thick layer of ice formed over water. So nature is always amazing. As you can see here, I was just passing by this place, so I decided to give a look. You see some birds here also, and some birds are there also. It's really amazing to see them, all of them. Let me even focus more. Oh, this is the maximum focus I can do with this camera. Yeah, amazing. Seeing them walking over ice with no impact and see them, some of them floating, it really makes me feel good. Nature is amazing, no doubt. So let me know what you feel about this amazing nature. And Canada is like very beautiful when it comes to nature. We have the biggest landmass. Thanks for watching, guys.